The UC Berkeley Central Sierra Snow Lab, located in Soda Springs, they shared this video right here. They say the snow began early this morning and they're expecting up to 2 feet of snow from this storm. So let's head outside for a look at the conditions up the hill. Let's go to Madisen Keavy. She's live in Soda Springs. Madisen, did you think you were done covering snow for the year yet?
You know, Dom, I am born and raised in California, and it is hard to think of a winter season like the one we've had where it starts late, it comes on strong with a couple of big storms back to back, and then it goes back down to sunny days with some of those summer-like temperatures, and now here we are. So no, I did not expect to be covering snow in April. And many of the folks that I've talked to today, listen, they get it. They know the mountain needs this kind of snow, but they're fed up. They're over it. They're ready for spring. And for one business, they feel like they're stuck in limbo because of this spring snow.
I'm hoping that it's wrapping up soon.
Outside the Soda Springs store, it looks more like winter, but inside,
everything's on sale and it says 30% off, but make offer. I don't want to pack it all up.
Winter's on the clearance rack and the store is stuck between snow and spring.
We've seen a million different scenarios for April, but not getting a foot at a time.
These shelves stocked for 23 winters and every spring, summer too.
Do you sell a lot of beer in the summer?
Yes.
Walking the aisles with owner Cheryl Paduano, she knows what sells when it's hot and when it's not.
I know that we need the precipitation. I just would rather that it wasn't snow now that all the resorts are closed. I would like to see it start getting warm and sunny again so I could put out all the summer stuff so I can plan.
Take a drive up one of the wet roads, and the only way to plan in weather like this, get out when the snow lets up.
I'm over it. I love it. We need the water, we need the moisture, but definitely didn't need it to be snow.
Snow helps when resorts are open, but right now it's slowing the switch to spring.
I don't want to jinx us either. If I pack it all up too early, then we're going to get another foot of snow next week.
The Soda Springs store is such a resource, not just for when the resorts are open and people are coming into town to ski and snowboard, but also for the community here. And they know that. It's why they're open 7 days a week. And they say, you know, this time of year when resorts are closed and people don't want to travel in this really wet, icky weather, makes it even harder for them to do business.